Ang sublimation large format machine ng DT Dumaguete ay ginagamit na 6 na araw na may 335 total meters. Printer head area, capping, head clean, purasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. After head clean, nozzle test. Ang system tama lang po. Ground wire, AVR, wistang kakalinis lang po. Ito naman yung stock namin na sa MYK. Ito naman yung stock namin na Sabli paper. Consumable monitoring, Sabli paper, cyan, yellow, magenta, black, daily output record, ICC profile. Yan lang po.